Lord Parshuram's role in the Mahabharata, a detailed account. Lord Parshuram, the immortal warrior sage and the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu, plays a crucial role in the Mahabharata. Though he does not directly participate in the Kurukshetra war, his influence is significant as a *** teacher of great warriors *** and a *** symbol of divine justice. *********1 Parshuram is the guru of great warriors. Parshuram trained several key figures in the Mahabharata, shaping the fate of the epic. ***1.1 Bhishma, the unbeatable warrior. Bhishma, born as Devavrata, was the son of King Shantanu and goddess Ganga. After taking the terrible vow of lifelong celibacy, Bhishma Pratigya, he became the greatest warrior of his time. To make him even stronger, Shantanu sent Bhishma to train under Parshuram. Parshuram taught him the knowledge of divine weapons, astras and shastras, making Bhishma nearly invincible. ***1.2 Dronacharya, the guru of the Kauravas and Pandavas. Drona, the father of Ashwatthama, also learned the art of warfare from Parshuram. However, unlike Bhishma, Drona was not a Kshatriya by birth. Since Parshuram had vowed to teach only Brahmins, Drona was able to become his student. After gaining mastery over weapons, Drona later became the royal teacher, guru, of the Kauravas and Pandavas. ***1.3 Karna, the cursed warrior. Karna, the son of Surya, the sun god, and Kunti, was born with divine armor and earrings, Kavacha Kundala, making him nearly invincible. However, because he was raised by a charioteer, he was denied training by many teachers, including Dronacharya. Determined to become the greatest warrior, Karna approached Parshuram ** disguised as a Brahman ** to receive his teachings. Parshuram accepted Karna and ** taught him the art of celestial weapons ** including the ** Brahmastra and Bhargavastra. ***2 The curse on Karna, a major turning point. Karna's deception eventually led to a tragic curse. One day, as Parshuram rested with his head on Karna's lap, an insect Vajradanta bit Karna, causing him immense pain. Despite the pain, Karna did not move fearing that Parshuram would wake up and discover his true identity. However, when Parshuram awoke and saw the blood, he realized that only a Kshatriya could endure such pain without flinching. Feeling betrayed, Parshuram cursed Karna. Since you deceived me, you will forget the knowledge of divine weapons when you need it most. This curse proved fatal during the Kurukshetra war when Karna forgot the mantras to invoke the Brahmastra while fighting Arjuna. ***3 The duel between Parshuram and Bhishma. Bhishma's vow of celibacy led to a major conflict with Princess Amba who had been abducted by Bhishma during her Swayamvara. Amba, in her quest for revenge, sought the help of Parshuram to defeat Bhishma. Parshuram, bound by dharma, agreed to fight his own disciple. The battle between Bhishma and Parshuram lasted for 23 days but neither could defeat the other. Finally, the gods intervened, and Parshuram accepted that Bhishma was unbeatable. He advised Amba to seek another solution, which ultimately led to her being reborn as Shikhandi who played a crucial role in Bhishma's downfall during the Kurukshetra war. *4 Parshuram's stance on the Kurukshetra war. Though Parshuram did not directly take part in the war, he remained an observer of dharma. He had trained warriors on both sides including Bhishma, Drona, and Karna. However, he did not intervene in the battle because he had already renounced warfare after his confrontation with Lord Rama in the Ramayana. His role was more as a teacher and a divine figure ensuring that only the worthy warriors held his knowledge.